Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's sort of makeup look. I say Valentine's like I'm going somewhere, but it's for you guys. It's all the lovers out there that have somewhere to go. I just wanted to show you a simple look. I'm gonna come with another look that's more dramatic, but this is a simple look for the first kind of date. You don't want to scare him off, you know, you don't want to look too out there. You just want to look simple and cute but pretty at the same time. So I'm just going to use my Morphe Jacqueline palette. It's a bit dirty right now, if you can see anything. My lighting is always a problem. It's always too bright or too dark. But yeah, that's the Jacqueline palette. I really love this palette. When I found out Beauty Bay had this palette, I had to get it because it has so much gorgeous colors. Yeah, there we go. There we go. But just check that out. It has a lot of reddish colors that I do love. I love browns and reds and, you know, warm tone colors. Cool tone colors I will not be touching today, but I'll definitely use this side of the palette. I'm jumbling my words right now, but I'll definitely use this side of the palette to create a nice Valentine's look. So if you want to see the simple look that I come up with, to kind of go with this pink top, I'm going to be doing a pinky reddish Valentine's look. So stay tuned and keep watching, and hopefully you like this look, and I hope that you will love it so much that you want to subscribe to my channel to see more. Girl, just please subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much in advance. Thank you guys, and yeah, see you soon. Glittery kind of shimmery colors. There you go, these three. So now I need a bright pink, and I'm gonna go in, not this palette, I've done enough with this palette, so I've used 1 2 3 4 5 6 colors just now, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rio palette by Sleek. They have some gorgeous bright colors in this palette. I'm loving that pink right there, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. Do you see how bright it is? And then there's a nice purpley one down there. But I'm going to go in with the pink. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my Eco Styler brush. Probably put too much primer on my brush. Sprayed my brush just to get more color payoff, but now it's making a mess. I'm going to go now with my BH Cosmetic brush. And see how bright that is? The BH brush is dry right now, so it's going to give off a brighter colour. I thought the wetter brush, my Eco Styles brush, is very good. I like this kind of brush. It's great for crease. But I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush. It's a 101 brush. And see if that one will help the colour payoff that I need right now in the corners. Just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do my mascara and my eyeliner. I'm gonna use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This liner right here is epic. Yeah, I love it. And I'm gonna be using my Barry feature length mascara. It's very, very sparkly, shiny. It's very long. What I love about this mascara is the brush. It's so thin, but it makes my lashes so long. And a lot of times when I wear this, I do not want to wear lashes, fake lashes. I'm like, what fake lashes wear? But I love these two together, so I'm just going to apply that now and my lashes. Then I'm going to put my foundation on, and then that's it. We'll see you after the finished look. I'm gonna do my lips now. I finished the eyes. Finished putting my lashes on and everything. That's the eye look. Simple but kind of pretty, cute kind of look that goes with a nice pink key kind of purpley reddish top. Depends what you're wearing. I'm going to be using 3 things today. First is the Maybelline Color Drama, and I'm wearing today the color 630 to do like a ombre look with my NYX lip liner, NYX Suede lip liner, this one in Brooklyn Thorn, and I'm going to use Illamasqua pink lipstick, or pink lipstick intense lip gloss I should say, on top of that. So let's get into the lip look. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I used the Morphe Jacqueline palette and also Anastasia Glow Kit. See you again for another tutorial. Bye guys. Hope you like the look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials, fitness, fashion, and all that. Bye guys. Love you.
She give me a nice deep choke. All when you put her in a hole, she a find way if you try to fuck. She want jump on the bike wheel out. I go me to keep on a high speed boat. Me say pretty girl, do you want? Yes I am. Yes I am. Yes I am. Yes I am.
Thank you so much guys for watching.
Get a girl and just go get your children.